You've upgraded your CPU, maxed out your RAM, slapped in a top-tier GPU. But if you're still rocking an old wireless adapter, you're bottlenecking your entire experience. That's where the TP-Link WiFi 7 BE9300 PCIe WiFi Card, Archer TBE550E, comes in. This is not just a simple network upgrade, it's a total performance revolution for your desktop. Let's be honest, Wi-Fi 6 is already fast, but Wi-Fi 7? That's a different beast. With the Archer TBE550E, you're looking at speeds up to 9,300 megabits per second, Tri-Band performance, and stability that rivals hardwired Ethernet. Whether you're gaming online where every millisecond matters, streaming in flawless 4K, transferring huge files across your network, or managing smart home devices from your rig, this card delivers without breaking a sweat. But let's break it down further. This PCIe card supports 3 frequency bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the newest 6 GHz band. That means less congestion, more bandwidth, and faster data transmission, even in homes with dozens of connected devices. You're not just getting speed, you're getting consistency, the kind that keeps your ping low and your stream smooth no matter what. And it's not just about Wi-Fi. The TBE550E includes Bluetooth 5.4, the absolute latest standard. That means ultra-fast pairing, lower latency, and high-performance connections for your wireless peripherals, gaming controllers, wireless keyboards and mice headsets, all running smoother than ever. Imagine syncing everything without a hitch. No drops, no lag, just seamless control. It also comes with a multicolor LED status light, so you'll always know the state of your connection at a glance. Stylish, functional, and modern, this is a small touch that makes a big difference. Installation is plug-and-play for Windows 11 users. And yes, this card is compatible with both AMD and Intel motherboards, meaning whether you're team red or blue, your rig is ready to take full advantage of next-gen networking. One quick note though, this beast is not compatible with Windows 10. It's built for the future, and the future starts now. Let's talk real-world benefits. Picture this, you're deep into a competitive match, and suddenly your connection drops because your old adapter can't keep up. Or your file upload stalls halfway through a deadline. That won't happen with this card. You'll enjoy multi-link operation, smarter channel coordination, and latency so low it'll feel like magic. And here's the kicker. With Wi-Fi 7 routers becoming more common and broadband speeds increasing, your old wireless adapter is going to choke. This PCIe card future-proofs your setup. You'll be ready for the next generation of online gaming, streaming, cloud services, and everything else that demands insane speeds and reliability. Whether you're upgrading your battle station, building a new workstation from scratch, or simply tired of laggy Zoom calls and slow downloads, the TP-Link Archer TBE550E is hands down the most effective desktop upgrade you can make in 2025. So if you're serious about performance, and I know you are, don't wait. Click the link in the description and grab your TP-Link WiFi 7 BE9300 PCIe card now. Experience the raw power of Wi-Fi 7 and finally get the performance your desktop deserves. And while you're upgrading your network life, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and drop a comment below with what kind of speed you're getting with your current setup. We've got more cutting-edge tech reviews and future-proof recommendations coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss them.